curious how your TAO tokens can earn passive income and help power the decentralized AI revolution? In this video, we're breaking down staking and delegation on the Bittensor network, what it is, how it works, and why it might be one of the most flexible staking systems in Web3. Let's start with the basics. In Bittensor, you can stake TAO in two main ways: to the root network, which secures the overall Bittensor protocol, to a specific subnet where AI models are trained and evaluated in real time. This gives you flexibility based on your risk appetite and strategic goals. When you stake your TAO, you don't just send it into a void, you delegate it to a validator. Validators are responsible for selecting which miners within the network get rewarded. Think of them as curators of intelligence. You can pick a validator you trust based on performance, uptime, reputation, or alignment with your values. By delegating your TAO, you're giving power to a validator. The more stake a validator controls, the more influence they have on reward distribution within their subnet or on the root. In other words, your TAO isn't just sitting idle, it's actively helping shape the future of decentralized intelligence. The best part? You earn rewards for staking. These rewards are paid out in TAO and are based on the performance of the validator or subnet you've supported. This means passive income, with the potential for compounding returns if you reinvest. Unlike many blockchains, Bittensor has no lockup period for stakes. That means you can unstake anytime, instantly regaining control of your assets. This makes Bittensor staking ideal for users who want yield, but also want liquidity. But it's not all sunshine and passive rewards. Staking to a subnet comes with risk. If a validator performs poorly, or worse, dishonestly, it can affect your returns, and in some cases, you may lose part of your stake. Always research validators and subnets before making a decision. Staking and delegation are how you participate, earn, and vote in the Bittensor ecosystem. It's a gateway to the future of decentralized AI. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Bittensor insights, and drop a comment sharing your staking experience. Bittensor's subnets are powering a new economy of decentralized intelligence. But how do you value a subnet token? Is it like Bitcoin? Is it based on yield? Or is it something completely new? In today's video, we'll explore how to evaluate subnet alpha tokens and why they might just be one of the most undervalued assets in the crypto space right now. To understand subnet tokenomics, we need to compare them with something we all know: Bitcoin. Bitcoin has fixed supply and emissions, with value tied to scarcity and security. Subnet tokens, on the other hand, have variable supply and are tied to contribution, meaning value flows to those who provide useful intelligence. In short, Bitcoin rewards electricity and computation. Subnet tokens reward signal and performance. So how do you value a subnet alpha token? Let's break down a few models. Discounted cash flow, DCF. This projects future staking rewards as cash flows and discounts them to present value. It works well for high-yield subnets. Network utility model. This approach looks at the value of services enabled by the subnet, for example, an image generator or a ranking engine, and prices tokens based on utility demand. Comparative analysis. Here, subnet tokens are valued relative to other similar assets, for example, comparing a language model subnet to OpenAI usage costs. Each method tells a different story, and combining them helps get a clearer picture. APY, or annual percentage yield, plays a huge role in token valuation. A high APY can signal strong performance or generous emissions, but it also means increased token supply, which could dilute value over time. However, if demand for staking or accessing the subnet grows faster than supply, price can still rise. So where do I think we are now? Many subnet tokens are still misunderstood and undervalued. Most people treat them like meme coins or sidechains. But the truth is, each token represents access to a real AI service with real usage. And as the network matures, the tokens tied to high-utility, low-noise subnets will likely outperform. Subnet alpha tokens aren't just another altcoin. They're financial instruments tied to the performance of decentralized AI. Imagine watching a football match, and every pass, shot, and movement is analyzed in real time by AI. No human input, no delay, pure automation. Welcome to Score, a cutting-edge computer vision subnet on Bittensor, processing data from over 280 football leagues worldwide. But this isn't just about sports, it's about redefining how we see video data forever. Let's break down how Score works. It delivers value in 4 stages. Annotate. Raw football footage is automatically labeled with meaningful tags: passes, fouls, goals, player positions, and more. Pre-train. This data trains models to recognize patterns and behaviors across thousands of games. Merge. The best-performing models are fused to increase prediction accuracy. Build. Finally, these insights are packaged into tools that teams, scouts, and analysts can use in real time. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. Score's mission is simple but powerful: to democratize access to real-time, accurate, fully automated video intelligence. In the past, annotating video required massive budgets and human labor. Now it's open, efficient, and scalable across industries. Football is just the first use case, but the technology applies anywhere video matters. Security footage, manufacturing lines, retail monitoring, broadcast media, even education. Anywhere that video is used, Score can process, interpret, and transform it into data. And the team building Score? They know the field, literally. Recent additions include an experienced football coach and a former pro cricket player, giving the AI a much deeper understanding of real gameplay mechanics. One of the most exciting offshoots is DKING, a project using Score's insights to predict sports outcomes. Yes, we're talking about AI-powered sports betting, driven by real in-game data, not guesswork or hype. And it's not just an idea. DKING made a major announcement live at the Proof of Talk conference in Paris. From real-time vision to global impact, Score is building more than a sports AI. It's building the future of autonomous video understanding. If you're as excited as we are about the convergence of AI, video, and decentralized networks, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment on how you see Score being used beyond sports. Until next time, keep watching, because Score is watching smarter.